Hi and welcome to Online Appliance Tech. Today we're going to show you how to put the Samsung oven in diagnostic mode and pull up error codes. First thing you want to do is hit the clock 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you'll hit start set and then press favorite cook in 0. Then you'll press 0 to move to the next error codes and they display up to 5. So as you can see here, we have no error codes. We'll hit clear to cancel test mode. So let's go over it one more time. You'll press clock, you press 1, you press 2, press 3, press 4, and then you press start set, and then you'll hold favorite cook and 0 to activate the error code. Once your error code shows, you'll hit 0 up to 5 times to see any stored error codes, and hit clear to cancel test mode. Okay, let's go over the error codes for the Samsung oven. The first error code is the E27. This states oven temperature sensor open. So it could be the sensor itself. If you are a technician, you could check this. At room temperature, it should be around 1K ohms, which is 1,000 ohms to up to 1,100 ohms. And this is around room temperature. If it reads anywhere from 29 up, that's an open sensor and it's bad. If that's not the case, it could be the main control board, or just check your harnesses and make sure that that's not the case. It just needs to be reconnected. Okay, the next error code is E28. Oven temperature sensor shorted, meaning it's reading under 930 ohms. This is disconnected. Or you can keep it connected to the main control board. Obviously make sure it's unplugged. And it should read around 2850, which is 2850 ohms. This is around the normal stage. If everything passes here, more likely it's going to be your main control board. Okay, error code E-OA. This is an overheating error, meaning the temperature is reaching above 650 Fahrenheit. So what usually takes place here, if your unit is getting to a high temperature here and there, just always, that means your relay could be stuck, which your main control board is faulty. But before replacing that, I would check your temperature sensors. With the unit unplugged, at the harness plugged into the board, it should really be around 2,850 ohms. That's around normal. And at room temperature, with it disconnected, it should be 1,080, around that range, give or take minus positive, negative 100 ohms resistance. And this is at room temperature. Okay, the next error code is SE. This means shorted key. So in other words, this is the membrane pad on the front of the board, the one that you press to activate the oven itself. So sometimes these membranes, control boards, or whatever you want to call them, the touch pads, they get the wiring inside of them, they get kind of stuck together because of the heat over time. So if you have a unit where it just turns on by itself or makes beeping sounds or so forth, or just doesn't work when you hit the button, more than likely it's going to be your membrane touchpad. Okay, error code E-0E, door lock error. So this is stating that the door is not locking correctly or in the wrong position. This could be due to voltage, or it could just be a faulty door switch. So if you checked out this video because your Samsung oven is not heating, or sometimes heating and sometimes not, more likely it's your igniter. And unfortunately there's no error codes for those symptoms. Those just basically will not heat. But don't worry, I do have a video here at the end. You can check it out. It'll show you how to diagnose it and make sure that you are having an igniter problem before you replace it. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe for more future tips and videos. Have any comments, just leave them in the comment section below. Thank you.